War I and in World War II. Bobby, you forgot to tell us about cryptography. Yes, Krita, why don't you tell and also show the slide? Cryptography is enciphering and deciphering of the secret codes. Can you tell us the meaning of enciphering and deciphering? Enciphering means making the codes and deciphering means tracking the codes. Cryptography has been written by two very old scientists. The Akbar cipher is a very devoted cipher of the olden times. The star date was also used in the olden times. We were supposed to form a word by changing the pieces. We forgot about substitution cipher. Yes, substitution cipher is also a very devoted cipher. In 1900 BC, in Egypt, cryptography was first used. Now let us discuss about how cryptography was used in World War I. Cryptography was used by America in the World War. People such as Robert Yardley, William Friedman, Elizabeth Friedman, and Agnes Mayer played big roles in American cryptography. The US Navy prepared the analysis tool OP-20 was also started during 1922. The French Army also had people like Georges Perrin and Time Macy's working on the cryptography. The popular confidence was the diplomatic cipher. The tabular record of Collins was a 4-digit code. It was changed 3 times between 1st August 1914 and 15th January 1915. The APF-GPX was a field cipher used by the German Army. It was invented by Colonel Schwarzenegger. It was introduced in March 1914. Now, let us move on to World War II. Cryptography was extensively used during World War II also. Probably the most important cryptographic event of the war was successful decryption by the Allies of the German Empire. Magic was an Allied cryptanalysis project during World War II. It involved the United States Army's Signals Intelligence Section. There were a series of codes known as red, blue, and purple. Open traffic. The Japanese Foreign Office used a cipher machine to encrypt its diplomatic messages. This machine was known as Open, which was used by US Ultra was used by British military intelligence in June 1941 for wartime signals intelligence. Ultra became the standard designation among the Western allies. An Enigma machine, electromechanical focus cipher machine, used for encryption and decryption of messages. Invented by German Opus Story, this was called machine locked. JN-25 is a name given to the most secure command and control used by Imperial Japanese Army. Although they work on a series of codes on site, the most important successes involve their group and coding codes.
let you know your marks here. Okay, so don't worry that your name is not being displayed, so we not wait. That's why I written your roll numbers. Okay, let's start. In which year did Greece use sky table? Is it 486 BC, 485 BC, 495 BC, and 490 BC? Has everybody done? Everyone go hold and move on, right? Muslim, you are done? It's like a what is your change of names? You need to hold it straight. Hold it up. One is there, something is don't just make it not there. Let's see it's I just check. You know let's check. You're what we are supposed to, right? Okay, the next question. Question number 2. Which codes were used by field armies in World War I? French, French, or none of the above?
What was the name of the codes which was used by the armies in World War I?
No talking.
Please don't discuss when you're pressing the buttons. If you don't see the discussion going on in KBC, do you see that?
Don't pay receiver is here.
Vikram and Pranav are there.
Pranav, no problem.
Yes. Are we ready? Next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Who owned the Riverbank Laboratory at Chicago? Right? Is it Elizabeth Friedman, William F. Friedman, Colonel George Friedman, or H.M.S. Friedman?
No discussion about each one.
Yes, we're taking it.
Good work. Stop. This was written there. Who owned the Riverbank Laboratory at Chicago?
Early forms of photography can be found in many forms. The Akash cipher was used by the Hebrews and was also a new form of photography. The sky tape is a device by which when we move the pieces we can form the words. Gauri, you must tell us about substitution cipher too. Yes, the substitution cipher is also a very developed cipher. In 1900 BC, in Egypt, the first known use of cryptography was. Now let us introduce the cryptography used in World War I. Did you know that in the World War I, the George's painting and Italy Berzeli's on German civils. The Federal of Florence was the range of what they made with the Salvador. The dominant in politics was the main French diplomatic code. It was used in World War I very famously. The 88 GBX code was used by the German army on the Western Front. It was invented by Colonel Fritz Nibel and was introduced in March 1918. Now we introduce about the cryptography used in World War II. Probably the most important cryptographic event of the war was the successful decryption by the Aries of the German Enigma ciphers. MAGIC was an allied cryptanalysis project during World War II. It involved the United States Signal Intelligence Section, also known as the SIS. It also included the codes red, blue, and gold. The Japanese foreign office used a machine called Purple to encrypt its diplomatic messages. Purple was first used in 1940 by Japan. After was the designation adopted by British military intelligence in June 1945. An Enigma machine is an electromechanical reverse cipher machine used for encryption and decryption of messages. It was invented by a German engineer, Otto Stevens, at the end of World War I. This is how an Enigma machine looks like. JN-85 is the name of the chief and most secure command and control communication scheme used by the Imperial Japanese Navy, also known as IJN. Although they worked on a series of codes and ciphers, their most important successes involved red, blue, and the purple code. In 1923, the US Navy kept their records in a red folder. That pages were known as the red codes. The Japanese Navy added some more complex codes, and those were known as the red codes. After Japan's advent, Germany gave a new code. It was called Purple, and it was even more complex. So, from this presentation, we have learned the uses of cryptography in early times and also the uses of cryptography in the World Wars I and II. Thank you.
Right? Then how they were used in the World War I and World War II to send secret messages here and there. That is, and one of them is sending a secret message, the other one is trying to decipher and decode the message so that they can be victorious. So this was the process, so that's why we have picked up the cryptology from World War I and World War II. Right? We are just going to repeat the whole presentation for you. Just go through it. You can take down notes, you can note down the points if you want to, if you wish to. Because after this we can have a small, interesting quiz in a different manner. You'll enjoy that. Right? So I'm just repeating it. Anywhere you have any problem, please feel free to ask. They're just repeating the whole slide. This is Enigma. So we start with the definition of cryptology. Cryptography study. The suspense we created because you don't want to send your heap of messages, somebody else might not decipher it, so that way around.
urgent painting activity PhDs were also included in the German program.
What this is telling basically is Americans were doing something else. They were trying to make their own codes, trying to decipher it, create a new one. French people, they were doing something else. Germans were doing it. Japanese were creating it. So we are going to have a little bit about every code, different codes which were created. Right? Like for example, this code. This was a 4-digit code which was changed 3 times between August 1st August 1914 to 15 January 1915. So within a year almost, less than a year, August to Jan, it was changed 3 times because maybe somebody deciphered it, they came to view, so it was changed. So that was what was done.
The Canadian GDX cipher was used by the German army on the Western Front. It was invented by Colonel Fitzgerald. This is also another example of the codes.
If you want to know more details, you can search on the net. You will get a little more details about different ciphers which were being used, different codes which were being used. Right? We start telling you at present, then it will be too confusing for you. We are just a code which was known as Enigma. So we thought let's name our project also what we are doing as Enigma, because this will relate to our codes what we are doing. Right? So this was that important break to what we did. And it was accomplished by Poland. So who broke it out of the country was Poland.
Title. Is it A, 486 BC? Is it B, 185 BC? Is it C, 497 BC? Or is it D, 490 BC? Just press it. The receiver is here. Just press it. And who is left? Bench or none of the above? Roshan, Shubhavi, Gavri. Okay. Shubhavi? Yeah. Alright, next question. Now, who wrote this laboratory at Chicago? Tough question. Difficult names to recognize. Is it Elizabeth, William, Bernard, or Eugenius? Question done? Alright. Ready for the next question? Yes? Now, how many times it was changed? The dative concordance. 2 times, 4 times, 5 times, 3 times. No? Question? Are the questions easy? Yeah? Now, who invented the cipher? You have to guess that person. TMS? Eva? Roshan? Okay. Alright. 6th question. 4 questions there. Which country is responsible for the invention of magic? Poland, Russia, Japan, or US? Okay. already used JN25 crypto system? US, Russian, Japanese, or none of the above? Nobody uses this. Here come up to this. Sakshi. Okay, it's too easy.
Are we doing the fastest thing the first? Let's see. And now the next question, who's doing it on the first round? I'll just keep a look for that.
Who invented the Rukman machine?
Oh, wow.
Let's start.
We and Ms. Raj together. Yeah.
Good. And Ravi. Alright. Last second question. Now, in which year this code was created? 1927, 28, 29, 30s.
Last question, ready now.
Very simple. In which year did first use cryptography? 1800 BC, 1700 BC, 1900 BC, or 1600 BC? Yeah.
We have a hat trick for the fastest thing of all.
So, we just close it here. I want to see your results.
So this is the results.
Yes.
So quickly. Did you enjoy it? First of all, let me know that. Did you feel you are sitting on a hot seat now and you are helping others in clinical quiz? Okay. Just watch the results. Let's see who the winner is. Right? If somebody asks you something about cryptology, you know about it, the cryptographies and the codes which are being used, right? You know how to share secret messages without your friend, other friend being knowing about it. Okay, let's see the winners. Wow, it's 10 out of 10. 2 people. Shobhat and Navya, can you stand up? Good job. Great. All the answers were correct. Great one. 9 was scored by Anu. Yeah. And anybody else? 9? No. So Anu, you are second then. Good. Our Simran, Riya, Avni, and Shubhavi. They all have 8. So 8 correct answer. 8 out of 10. Right. Bharat 7. And Matsva 7. Sakshi 7. Then we have question 6.